So obviously in line with that, we can obviously understand that the short covering has continued. In fact, it's brought some buyers into the markets a little bit when this started to roll back down again, suggesting that there might be some buyers still to come into this as pressing higher, and that's exactly how it's played out. Having said that, I think there's a lot of value to sell into this bond, and I'll certainly be very keen as we start exploring up into these next few levels here for a possible short sell. But you'll see on my oil, for example, today, I haven't had a single buy trade, and yet the market's had some nice upside moves. I haven't had a single buy trade. Why? Because I don't like them. To try and stay on one side only, it doesn't mean you're on one side of the market perhaps for the whole entire day. What it means is that for the time being, until you've got very strong evidence, either through a structural break or through undeniable value, that you have a buy opportunity that used to be a sell, then stick with the game plan, stick with the squeezies, stick with the short sells and keep it working until it stops working, basically. Let the market tell you, and then start changing your attitude to the trade. If you want to flip buy side and sell side and buy side and sell side and buy side and sell side, be my guest. But it's not my type of trade unless I take on the scalping mode where I'm literally just in for that 1 minute scalp, 5 minute scalp type trade. So in that type of environment, just let it go, just let it go. Relax, take a break, in fact, take a coffee break, go away from the screens for 10, 15 minutes, and then come back getting ready for the next opportunity, the next possible play to take advantage of, right? And then deal. And that's what you start seeing in these areas, where you start seeing these little opportunities. So for me, happy to be on the sidelines, waiting for a new opportunity to strike. The Japanese yen starting to pour in behind this trade as well. So obviously if you'd seen that, you might have been keen on the yen as a possible bottom edge buyer. So you can see obviously instead of buying this bond, you could have bought into some bottom edge yen trades, yeah? And obviously buying the yen off those low prices could have resulted in some very nice profits. Thank you very much. You see, there's a lot of opportunities to do stuff if you're just willing to be a little bit patient, give it a little bit of time, and let it do its thing. Trades I'm not doing just now, I'm not reselling oil. We had a pullback, 50-line pullback for a sell, which retested the lows. From that point onwards, the value has flipped. The dollar's obviously flipped around a little bit. So I am not reselling this at this point.